Anyone?
No thanks.
Bazanye umukecuru n'umusaza n'umuhungu wabo.
Kargarano tadikirigar
bababwira rwose uburyo cyatanze urufunguzo. Sasa binje muri couvre fort hamwe bakoze iki? Hamwe baturikije umudamu yabonyemo urufunguzo rura nimero 79.
So, it appears your apartment may have been connected to a crime.
Bisa nkaho apartment yanyu isa nkaho ifite ihuriye n'ahabereye icyaha.
Would you know anything about that?
Hari ikintu mwamubiziho?
No.
Oya.
Rahimullah.
Rahimullah no atanze urufunguzo.
I'm sorry.
Mwana maze afite arahuriye n'abandi muzati umwana atanze urufunguzo ariko baravuga icyara ko umudamu ari umwongereza akazi ntago ari barumva ibyo muzari maravuga.
What keys?
Kwa numva muzari maravuga ijambo keys imfunguzo bihuriye n'ibyo maravuga.
Okay, so these two men, they showed up at our door. They were wearing blue overalls,
and
they had all of these papers from the landlords. And they said they wanted the keys to the cellar. They wanted to put some building equipment or something there. And we gave them the keys.
Mr. Kaza. Sorry, I don't know how to say this.
Call me Rahim. It's fine.
Rahim. Did they keep the keys?
Yeah. Yeah, they kept the keys.
Keys, he.
Dad told me not to give
Papa yaramwiye ngo twagumije kwa imfunguzo ni mwana wanjye nabaye imfunguzo. Sasa muzena n'umukecuru wangu umwana atanze imfunguzo ku bushake azi amabande ariko umwana akabacabereza ko ari kuvuga icyara mu polisi nagacyumva. Papa tuza ariko
the keys, but
urumva papa arimo aratongana ngo yambujije gutanga imfunguzo ndanga ndazitanga ariko afande.
How was I supposed to know it's anything dodgy?
We're
immigrants here. People come with official papers and they ask for the keys. I had no idea it was something.
I understand. I understand.